When I was growing up, I lived around cornfields, much like this one, almost surrounded by them at all times. I always sort of wondered what it was all used for. According to Ethanol Producer Magazine, in 2011, 27.3% of corn grown in the United States went towards the production of ethanol. Ethanol is a better source of fuel for the environment because it emits less greenhouse gases and it is more biodegradable. Biodegradability is the natural breakdown of substances by bacteria and fungi and their chemicals, as stated by Dr. Dmitry Koblevik. Ethanol is more biodegradable because it is made from natural materials. According to the website Green the Future, ethanol has a biodegradability average of 74% over 5 days. This means that 74% of ethanol will break down within a 5-day period. A study done by Substances and Technologies showed that less than 25% of gasoline will break down within a 28-day lab testing. This means that ethanol breaks down much faster than other fuels, by a huge margin. This makes oil spills, much like this one, much less of a safety concern because most of it will break down naturally within just a few days, requiring much less manual cleanup. Ethanol is also a better source of fuel because it emits less greenhouse gases than standard gasoline. Greenhouse gases are substances that trap heat in the atmosphere. Carbon ones are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Too many greenhouse gases will lead to global effects like climate change. They are most commonly created when fossil fuels are burned, and 28% of greenhouse gas emissions in 2016 was from transportation alone. According to the Renewable Fuels Association, ethanol can reduce the amount of greenhouse gases produced by 52%, but the average is currently around 19%. There's a lot more there's a lot of improvement that could be done, but it's a lot of work still needs to be done. To review, ethanol is a superior source of fuel because it is highly biodegradable and it lowers greenhouse gas emissions. It is factually better than standard gasoline for the environment in almost every category.